XProtect Access Control helps clients recognize, react to, and investigate incidents as a coordinated team. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Smart Client to monitor cardholder activity. In the Smart Client, on the Live tab, click the title bar of the Access event or cardholder image you want to investigate. In this example, we'll click the Supply 1 title bar. Click the Play arrow to start the independent playback and watch the recorded video for the event. The recorded video plays for the event. You just saw how to use the Smart Client to monitor cardholder activity. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.